Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you step by step how to create a Facebook page in 2025. So whether it is for your business, your brand or community, a page helps you reach more people and build your online presence. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser and search for facebook.com, or you can also open the Facebook application and then you can sign in into your account. Now over here, if you tap on the three lines here in the top right hand corner of the screen, you will be landed over here where you can tap on the option of see more and select the last option of pages. Now in your account, the pages option can be in the middle or on the top. So you need to simply tap on the option of pages. Now here you will see the list of all of the pages that you have created and you have joined. So since we want to create a new page, simply tap on the option of create here in the top. Now select whether you want to keep your page personal or professional. So if you are using it for your business, I would recommend you to go with the professional option. Now tap on the option of next here in the bottom. Now on the next page, you need to provide your page name. So it should be something that represents your business or your brand. So let's say I type this, then press next here in the bottom. Now on the next page, it is going to ask you to select the category. So your category can be anything like education, restaurant, personal blog, etc. So let's say I've selected musician or music, then press create here in the bottom. Now once you tap on the option of create, it is gonna be taking some time and shows you further options. And now in the general, you need to provide bio relating to your page. Then if you have any website associated with your business, you can add that too here. If you want to add email address and your phone number, you can also select these options. In the location, if you want to enable your location, simply add these and select the hours as well, at what time you are available. So once you are done, tap on the option of next here in the bottom, and then there you go, you have successfully created your page on Facebook. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.